as Ernest Similet from Tarlac State University from BIT Mechatronics. So today we'll be making a city from SketchUp. SketchUp is a computer-aided drafting tool created by Google. So first we start with camera, perspective, and standard view, top view. Next here is we will use the shape tool, rectangular tool. We'll create a square. So for the purpose of this project, I speed up the whole tutorial because it took too long. So as we can see here, we created a grid line, and now we are making the different shapes or geometries of the road. So you can see here we utilize the use of the arc tool, and we also use the tape measure tool to create a even or consistent width of every roads. After we're done making the roads, we can make the alleys of different blocks in our city. So as we can see here, this is the main plan or the main layout of the city. So we created alleys in different blocks, the placement of the buildings, and so on and so forth. So after we are done in creating the blocks or the alleys of our city, we go on into more complex shapes inside the city. So here we can see more detailed work or more detailed drawings of our 2D plan. We can also see the use of the offset tool of every building, as we can see in the video. After that, we can see the use of the paint bucket tool. The paint bucket tool is used to create different colors that we can apply in our texture. So we can see here we placed a vegetation or different vegetations throughout the city. After we're done in creating the master plan of our city, we move on to the extrusion of every building. So you can see here, in this part, it is demonstrated the use of pull push tool to create more details and to transform our 2D plan into 3D. After that, we can see the progress. See? And also we colored the roads as a asphalt. For more details, I also created a miniature house or a fairly detailed house to represent a barangay environment. After that, we go on into exporting different textures for our city. Here we can see the utilization of the texture tool, where we imported a texture of a building and apply it in different skyscrapers we can find in the whole city. As we progress in creating textures in their city, we also see different tweaks or making our different buildings more realistic as possible. So after how many hours, here we are. I'm not going to go into detailed texture of every buildings like in this one, but we texturized every major skyscraper. So as you can see, it's very good. It's pretty close enough to a real city, as you can see.